Second part of the stock analysis application. In the first part, we have discussed about how to compare different shares at different period of time, and the 3 pages have been used for that one. The 4th page contains today, the named today. It contains the latest day's transaction. It shows the every stocks that is available in Nifty 50. I have selected only 46 stocks, and the reason is I could not get for 4 stocks data from that site. So it lists 46 shares in the Nifty 50 and their open, close, high, low, volume traded in the market, and return percentage comparing with the yesterday closed price, and in the volume change percentage compared with the yesterday's volume transaction and today's volume transactions. So this we can see without selecting any filter. What happens today or in the latest day's transaction, we can have this page. It is easy to access and we can easily see. The next page, that is the 5th page, is also a convenient page. Here the return percentage in the stocks are listed based on their return. In the first table, it contains in the descending order. That means the top gainers are at the top and the losers are at the bottom. For example, here the Adani transactions has come at the top with the 4.76%. The next one table contains the losers at the top and gainers at the bottom. So it is in the ascending order. The remaining two are based on the percentage of volume change. So here we can see the gainers and the losers for the 46 shares transacted today or the latest day of the stock market trading. So this is a convenience page. The next page is 6th page. It is aggregated. It is a different one. For every stock, what we have given here is the return percentage and the volume change percentage based on at the different period of time. For example, for the first column contains today's are the latest day's return for that particular stock, and then it is followed by week return percentage, 2 week return percentage, month return percentage. So we can compare how the return percentage for a particular share based on the different period of time, that we can see here at a single glance. So every stocks is listed here and their return on yesterday, return on 1 week, return on 2 weeks, return on month, along with what is the volume change percentage yesterday and for 1 week and for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, for the month. Likewise, we can get a clear idea about how the share is performing in a simple way, and it will give high insights within a single view of this one. So that is the advantage of this page. The next one page is the individual stock. Actually, we have got 3 pages for individual stocks. How can we come to this individual stock? We can use the drill through functionality available in the Power BI to come into this individual stock page. How we can come, I will show you. Let us go to the stock analysis page. Here the stocks are listed. If you are interested in any one of these stocks, then you can right click that stock. For example, here right click the stocks. There is a saying that drill through. We have got 3 pages for individual stock. When you click this individual stock, then it will show for that particular stock, that is Bank Baroda. You have selected in the first page. We have selected in the first page. Once it is selected, it shows what is the average price for this period of time, that is January 7th to March 3rd. What is the average closing price of this particular stock, and what is the average volume transacted per day for this stock for this period of time, and it is the total volume transacted during this period, and it is average return per day for this stock, that is Bank Baroda. This is the total return for this period of time. This is average volume change per day for this period of time, and it is the total volume of change percentage for this period of time. It is minus 423.41% for this one. So and here we have got, instead of handy stack bar, I will provide just a line chart for this period of time. You can see what is the close price, open price for the different period, and you can also zoom this if you are interested. You can also zoom and see how the transaction is happening for this share in the trading market for this period of time. We can also see by zooming. This chart provides the volume transaction for this chart. For every day, how much volume is transacted for this particular stock, we can get the information in this chart. For example, this day, it gets transacted really well for that particular day, that is 7th February. What happens in the 7th February? Yeah, it is the open close price is 112.85. It is higher than the average price per day, so it is a good day. On that day, the volume of transaction is very high. That kind of information we can get from this chart. And you can, as usual, you can also select different date period. Based on that, the transaction will be shown, and you can also get the average price and everything. That is the way this first page is. In the first page of individual stock is used. And this is a second page for the individual stock. Here we can get how it is transacted, the complete details in this table, the complete details about how it is transacted in the market, what is the close, open, high, low volume prices for this stock over the period. And here it is getting total return per by day, that is Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. For this period of time, how much total return we have got for this stock for Bank of Baroda. Here the Tuesday gives really a very good return. At the same time, the Friday gives a worst return, that is negative. So by seeing this, the trader can take the decision that they can buy on Friday or they can sell on Tuesday. That kind of information we can take. That is the advantage of showing this bar. So it is just a guidance. If they are interested in trading this stocks, this is the historical behavior of this stock. So if they want to buy, then they can choose Friday. If they want to buy on Tuesday, it is with all other details, all other parameters, then only he can or she can decide based on whether we can sell or not. It is just a guidance. And the next graph, it shows that the total volume transaction by day, in which day the transaction of particular share is trading very well. For example, the Bank Baroda share, on which day it is performing well. Actually, more or less it is same, but however, on the Tuesday and Monday, the transactions are really good. Tuesday, Thursday and Monday, the transactions are very good. At the same time, on Friday, the transaction value is not that much good. For Wednesday, Friday it is okay. So on Wednesday, the transaction volume is very less. On that particular day, the acceleration is also very low, that is 0.5 percentage return we have got on Wednesdays. So this kind of information and any insights along with the other details that will help us to understand how the share is performing on different days. Based on that, we can take some kind of decision that would be better. This is the third and final page for individual stock. The difference we can see in this page is, instead of having the date range filter, we have got year and month. So the user can, if a user is interested in any particular year or particular month, what is the return they can get, this page can be used for any individual stock. The first graph shows the different return for every year, a different year. It shows that in 2020 the return is in negative, and that is minus 64.74. The worst year is 2015, that is for Bank of Baroda, the return is minus 444.22%. At the same time, we have got good returns in the year of 2007 and in the year of 2009. Likewise, we can get a good result 2010. And this is for month. This month is for the cumulative years. For every July it would be better, but January it is not that much better, it is very worst. If you are interested in any particular year, then you can select here, that is, let us select 2021, how it is performing. So 2021 it is 18.27%, and every month how it is performing, that is shown for in this graph. And for 2021, this is the month wise return we can get from this stock. And if you are interested in any particular month, that you can select in the filter. And this is for this period of time, what is the total return percentage by day, on Monday and Tuesday, how the return is. Usually Wednesday the return is really very good, that is 44.10. that is in 2021. All the cumulative return traded on Wednesday is 44.10, and this is for the volume transactions. So this is the way we can select another one stock. How we can go there? Just press Control and press this button. You can come here. Then if you are interested in ACC stock, then you can go to that particular page. It shows here, and it is 2021. If I selected all the year, then it will show you like this. So this is the way we can get details about any stock, how they are performing in different years, in different months, and on different days also. This kind of insight we can get. So this application is not very different from others. The only thing is you can get detailed insights about any share, or comparing different shares. This application can be used. The greatest advantage of this is you can get most of the data in a small duration, that is within a minute or within a few minutes. You can get the details about the comparison of the shares, or any particular share, how it is performing over the period, whether it is in a particular year or whether it is a particular month. In some other way, you can use the date range, particular date range. So this kind of information we can get from this application. The main advantage is you can get most of the information in a short period of time, within a minute or within a few minutes. That is the advantage of this application. Thank you.